let's talk about varnishing. Varnishing is a technique that is the final coat for your paintings. It's a protective coat, protect against the weather, sunshine, wear and tear, and it'll help it last for years and years and years to come. When choosing a varnish, you can choose from a few different options. There's semi-gloss, high gloss, matte finish, and a few others. They also come in many different forms, like a spray aerosol version. And then you can also do what I usually use is a liquid version that you can then paint on as a final coat to your painting. Now, when you choose your gloss, it might depend on the painting. For instance, when I'm painting something that has a lot of colors that want to pop out from, say, a dark background, I like to use a high gloss or a medium gloss for that. Because when you do, you can really see those colors pop and they really come off the painting. Now, if I just want it to be even all around and have sort of a classic traditional feel, I'll use a matte varnish. It all depends. Sometimes if it's a pop painting, it's more pop art, a lot of bright colors, I'll use high gloss. So it's really up to you, but there are different versions. One other thing that the varnish will do is that it will even out your painting. Some of your paints will have different pigments. They'll also have different sheens. So there'll be a gloss maybe in one paint, and one paint might have a more matte feel. Now, it can look really uneven against light and things like that if you don't varnish it. Varnish will put a full layer over your entire painting to even out, leaving it look really professional and beautiful. Varnishing is a must for me. Varnishing is something I learned about a few years into painting that I wish I had known sooner, so hopefully this will be helpful to you. So there you have it. There's really no wrong way to go. Varnishing is a great way to preserve your painting for years and years to come.